Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back to another special nighttime edition. We've still been battling the sun, so this is an experiment to see if our night pouring works well in terms of lighting and things like that. So this is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas that we're going to repour on. Let me show you my colors real quick. This first one is Art Mind's Malibu, and it's not that thick, so I've mixed it with some of that golden soft gel gloss to get it to leave a mound on a mound. Really like that stuff. It works pretty good. So that's the Malibu from Art Minds. This next one is Golden's Prussian Blue. Nice and thick, leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Okay. The next one we have is Payne's Gray, also from Golden's, leaving a mound on a mound. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and varnish, and Floetrol and paint, and some water, most of them. This one, no. This is my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold, and I have mixed it to be super thick to make sure it is leaving a mound on a mound on a mound, because I don't want it to be getting lost and leaving just a gold dull sheen over everything. Last one I have is Golden's Permanent Deep Violet. Oops. Mound on a mound on a mound. Very beautiful, silky, love this color. Okay, and Golden's Iridescent Copper Fine. Beautiful, my copper obsession. I love this stuff. Okay, so I want to do a ring pour, and let's layer our cup. Okay, for the center of the ring pour, I want to start with a little bit of gold, and I mean just a little bit. That's about maybe a little bit bigger than a quarter. All right, so we have some gold. Now we're going to put a little bit of copper in because I want that in the center. Okay, and I'm glad that it's covering that gold. Now we're going to come in with some of that Permanent Deep Violet, because it's rather shocking together, the two of them. I kind of like it. Okay, we're going to get some Prussian Blue going in there. Nice thick layer. Oh, so my own personal goal, I only want to use 16 ounces of paint for this total. I do not want to fill the cup up, so I only want to go to about here. So that's my what I'm aiming for. Okay, that's good. We're going to come in with some Payne's Gray. And now some copper. Check, let's go back in with the Permanent Deep Violet again too. I want to put some Prussian on the other side of that because I like those two together. And let's go with a little bit more of that Malibu. A little bit of gold. Oh, are we at our 16? Yes, okay. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more of Payne's Gray. And that's just, shh, hey! Be nice. Okay, so that's our cup. Okay, we move these out of the way. Now, which one of these do I want to use as a flow extender? Let's use some gold. I have that thing got under the cup. Okay, so I have my cup, empty cup. I'm going to pour about 2 ounces of gold in here. Ooh, hawk. Get some water and just thin this out. I think I need more. Okay. So it's sinking now. Okay. It's like the Discovery Channel over here. Okay. All right, you ready? Okay. We're gonna pour a little puddle of our gold in the center. And we're gonna do our ring pour. So I wanted to be really careful about using only 16 ounces because I don't want to tilt off a lot of what I'm gonna put on there. I'd rather tilt off the flow extender. Okay, here we go, ring pour. pretty. That's pretty too. That's the copper with the permanent deep violet. And then that Malibu on the side. Wow, that's trippy. There's that. Alright. Let's turn that around. That's really cool. Okay. See, so there's not a whole huge ton of paint on here. So we're gonna get our flow extender and go around. Put some on the corners. Okay. Hi, Zen. Hey, baby. Hi. Okay. Let's torch it real quick. Oh, that's really pretty in there. Okay. Let's tilt it. I like this part, and I want to take that over and hook it onto the edge to keep it. Okay, so let's start going down that way and walk it down the canvas. Is that okay, or are you getting glare? It's sort of eating itself on the bottom there, but we're almost there, so go over that corner and come back. I see a lump in my paint. Ooh, what's that? Okay. I'm going to go down this way now. That better? Okay. Take it back down to the center just a little bit. And we're going to go off that edge. Okay. Bug. Okay.
Twist to your left.
That's pretty. Just let it float down. It's rolling over itself a little bit at the bottom, but that's okay. This is our last corner. Off that edge, take some of that extra paint off. Take it back down to the center. Open up this top edge and shrink the center part a little bit. That's pretty cool. I love that copper. I love the copper mixed with the gold. Very neat. Okay, there's some things I love about it. I love this blue. That's really pretty. And I love the permanent violet. I'm not actually crazy about this like arrow. I think I want to pour a little bit more on there just one more time real quick. Not a lot. Small. Okay, there's already a lot of copper in there and there's a lot of gold. So I'm going to start with some of the Prussian Blue, a thicker layer. And then I'm going to put some of that Malibu in. And some gold. And I'm going to put some of the Payne's gray in. And then just another dot of the Malibu. A little bit of the permanent deep violet. I think I'm going to end it with some Prussian. Okay. I'm just going to pour this in the middle. Here. Okay. Less copper, but it's going to be awesome. All right. I'm going to take it down this way a little bit. This way. Coyotes.
Must be up that road runner.
I bet you he outsmarts them. I saw a roadrunner the other day. Just let this float down. Okay. And that's that. Something stopped, I think. I'm done anyhow. I was just going to torch it. That's awesome. How cool is that? Wow. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, just gonna torch it now, pop some bubbles, and then we're finished. Great. Love that. I see something in the paint though. awesome. I love it. Okay, so that turned out much better. I love all these lines. You could see the purple, you could see that Malibu color. Pretty neat. I really like that mixed with the gold. It was really pretty. And that was an Art Minds one. Oh, look at that copper though. Ah, just in here. Amazing. Beautiful cells. Beautiful lines in here. More cells coming up. This gorgeous streak of copper. I love that gold in between the lines. More gold cells coming up. And this is part of the reason for using the gold flow extender base coat, is for these little gold pearl cells that pop up around the edges. So cool. Awesome. Okay, well this worked out pretty good. This one is night vision, and I will show you when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with me. With us. Thanks for hanging out with us. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one turned out so cool. So this is a few days later and it is totally dry now. And I am extremely happy with how this came out. I am loving that copper there at the bottom. It's so beautiful. But this part right here, this just kills me. It's so cool. Right there with that copper and the dark, dark blue. The Prussian blue and the Payne's gray together with all those gold cells. Lots of our little pearly cells along the edges. That's from doing the gold base coat. Look at these lines in here. Ooh, so pretty. Just that flash of the Art Minds Malibu coming through. Very cool. Very 3D on this one. Really pretty. The gold is blinging. Lots and lots of cells up here. So pretty too. Really nice. So that's very cool. I really like this one. This one's night vision. The second of our night pours, which I think we're going to be doing more. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you all stay safe and happy and take good care of yourselves. Stay positive. And I will see you for the next one. Bye-bye.